Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Lecturio medical education app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Lecturio is a medical education app designed to help medical students, nursing students, and healthcare professionals study smarter and retain more information. The app features thousands of high-quality video lectures delivered by top professors from around the world, covering subjects like anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, pathology, and biochemistry. It's available on both iOS and Android and syncs seamlessly across devices, so users can study anytime, anywhere. The app's main feature is its structured video library combined with spaced repetition quizzes and question banks. Lecturio also includes pre-made study schedules, interactive 3D models, and recall flashcards that reinforce learning efficiently. Students preparing for exams like USMLE, NCLEX, and MBBS finals often rely on it to build strong medical foundations and test-taking strategies. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its professional video quality, clear explanations, and integrated question system that mimics real exam formats. The platform is also praised for its ability to break down complex topics into understandable lessons, making studying less overwhelming. It's considered a valuable companion for both beginners and advanced learners in medicine. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version has limited access to video lectures and quizzes, and full access requires a paid subscription. Some users also mention that the pace of videos can feel too slow or academic for those wanting quick summaries. Additionally, downloading large content files for offline study may consume storage space. In summary, the Lecturio app may be worth using if you're a medical student or healthcare professional looking for a comprehensive, organized, and engaging platform to master medical concepts and exam prep. However, if you're looking for short, free resources or prefer textbooks, the subscription model might not be ideal for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.